Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video about Wix, I'm going to create a website, and that's what I want to show you. We are going to create it together. So how we can actually do it. We are here in our dashboard. So far we updated store type, we added first products and learn how to manage them. But how about we want to see how they look on our website? Once you create a brand new website, there won't be a website or a true website for you already set up. You have to do it. We have to go in our dashboard. We want to go to design site. So we're gonna click in here and let Wix create a site for you. This is a premium option. So if you're not the owner of a premium plan and you're just looking around, finding out if Wix is the one for you, I strongly recommend you with going with customize a designed template. With this particular, we are going to pick a template. In here, as you can see, there are tons of options that we can pick from our template. I strongly recommend you not going hardcore with features. For example, this one is really nice, backpack store, but it's fairly busy. Or CyberKit Infinite gaming store. Also, very nice website, but it's really, in my opinion, really hard to manage. And if you're a beginner, go with something very easy and go with something that is really easy to change. Spa, okay, that's not it. Electronic store, no. Artist, jewelry, t-shirt. Or there was a t-shirt. Maybe we can use this one. Okay, t-shirt shop, but yeah, it's busy as well. Let me pick something finally, and that everything is really graphically busy. Or shoe store. Okay, but I'm not selling this clothing store. Okay, let's go with this one. Let's go with edit. And straight away you'll be able to go with this template. It's not premium, it's not paid, so we can enjoy it together. Okay, this is taking some time, obviously, loading all of the necessities, I would say. And here we are. So, some details about your site. Store where you can find only high quality goods. Type of site, online store, name of the site, okay. Generate text site, okay. And now we can explore it. Now we can just play around. We have no product. This is weird. We should be able to. Okay, quick edit, quick edit, quick edit. This is the header, and this will be the footer. So explore it. First of all, we have desktop view or we have mobile view. Edit your site for mobile. So if you click there, it's gonna obviously look a little bit like that. It's just squished into one long version. Okay, in quick edit we have a product here. Title new arrivals, okay. Manage product, okay. And here we just gonna click this one. Okay, actually no, because we have to edit, I believe, manually, or the product will be added. But okay, this is for a different video. We don't want to pay attention to it now. What we have to pay attention is elements. We have buttons, we have a couple of options, and we have site settings, dev mode, hire professional, and help. Those are the premium options. Yet again, as you can see, I changed, or I switched for I switched for an option that is yet again busy. And I don't know what to do in here. To change this one is going to be hard, but add elements. Here you can add anything you really like. Image, strip, decorative, payment. We have tons and tons of options at Wix. I have to say it's a little bit more confusing. Okay, I have to get rid of this one and rid of this one. Quick edit, okay. Change quick edit layout, rename section. Okay, this is still too much. For example, you don't have to have this one, you don't have to have this one. Only thing that we are actually giving some care about is having a nice header, a nice welcome page, and then maybe route to your products if you are selling like that. And maybe we should start with something else, because we have home, and for men we have, those are the products, as you can see, for men. But we have store pages, members area, and so on and so on. I'm gonna build a completely a new one from a scratch, so you can see how it's all done. But we have elements, pages, menu. I really like Squarespace more than I like Wix editor. So go and check it out. Maybe if you are looking for something more intuitive, because we have just tons and options in here. CMS. It's, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's very nice. But if you are a newbie with website editors, yeah, it can be pretty deceiving. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any types of questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.